Hello, my name is Kanso, and this is my assignment for advanced web programming. And my assignment is a social network type of site. So my advanced feature would be users creating posts, users replying to each other on these posts, users following each other, and such. And this is my homepage, and my homepage is actually my articles page. And as you can see, you can read these articles and you can follow, you can comment on these articles, and you can share these to other social sites through APIs that I implemented in my website. And in the discussions, users can create their own posts in these discussions, and they can also comment on other users' discussions as well. Sorry, this doesn't have a comment. This one have. As you can see, you can also upvote and downvote these comments as well. But in order to do that, I have validated this page in my routes folder. Sorry, in my routes folder, that you have to be logged in order to do stuff on this page. For example, you're not logged in, which you can see here, but if you try to upvote it, it will take you to the login page. Now let's get to the register page. In the register page, I have two forms of validation. First, it is validated in the controller. As you can see, the name is being taken, the email has been already taken, which you can see in the register controller right here. So you have to create a new controller. Sorry, and create a new user. And of course, there's also this front-end validation, since validation is added as one of the features in the presentation slide. So yes, the default feature, the default profile picture is from Gravatar, and these pictures are from Lorem Pixel. These are actually dummy photos, so if you reload it each time, they will change. All right, so let's go to the discussions. You can create the discussions here. I'm sorry, you have to choose one of these two tags, and you can write whatever you want there. And of course, you can also comment on your own discussion posts. As you can see, this little flashback that you can comment is a success, and you can also delete it. Of course, only you can delete your own comments. You can delete others' comments unless you're an administrator. And let's go to the personal center. In the personal center, as you can see, we have created a new discussions here. We currently have no followings. Okay, so there's that. You can edit your profile. You can upload your own profile picture. Here you can also update other stuff as well. Here in the notifications, usually it shows that someone commented or someone followed you, but since I have deleted my own comment, it says discussion was deleted. All right. You can also follow other users as well. Here, there's another user I created, and you can just press follow, and as you can see, it's following. And in these here, you're following one person, you have one discussion, so your comment, everything is written in this user controller, where you can display the following users list, the list of users discussions and stuff. And of course, I've written these code comments throughout the entire website. So if there are any features that I miss or fail to explain in this video, it is definitely in this site. So it is there for future reference if anybody wants to read my code. And you can also search for articles as well. The search feature is only for articles only. I was trying to implement it on the discussions, but I failed. So yeah, currently is for the articles only here. So let's log out and let's log in again with another account. Of course, you can also have the forget password feature. You can set it to any of the passwords and it will email you the templates in the resource folder, and it's in the controller, the reset password controller here. Of course, I'm doing this locally, so it won't send any, and the mail drivers there isn't any mail driver. So, all right, so let's log in. And this user is an administrator, and if you are an administrator, there's this little dashboard button it shows. Of course, it is validated in the middleware here. If you are admin or not. So yeah, if you're an administrator, you can go to the dashboard and you can see the number of users, the number of views you get, the articles, comments. Of course, all of these are populated by using Google Analytics. I've included it in my website. And you can delete the users, you can edit the users, you can even create users here. As I mentioned before, users cannot create articles, but if you're an administrator, you can create articles here. And you can delete, view these things as well. Of course, there's also an upload feature. Primarily, I was hoping to include this for all users. So when users create a post, they can also upload some photo or file maybe, but I wasn't able to do that. But of course, the upload feature still exists here. So you can just upload as an administrator. And you can also delete it as well. And you can also see other stuff as visitors, links, systems. As you can see, the current system I'm using, and it's generally in a development server and it's local and stuff. All right. And also the site also includes some localization as an advanced feature, so I also implemented it. My website also has some form of localization as well. I'm using this fallback local type. As you can see, it is written in English, so if I change it to Russian, the default local, if the computer have Russians in it, so it will change to Russian. As here you can see it, so it's turned into Russian fonts that I can read. And if the system doesn't have the current local module, it will go to the fallback locale, which is English, which every machine have, of course. So my website also has some form of localization as well. So you can reload, as you can see. I'm sorry. So yeah, then this is my assignment for advanced web programming module. And thank you.